gonna work straight away? Is this gonna work straight away, chat? Oh, it is. What brilliant news. Okay, so we have definitely got something going on here. Any likes? Big appreciation. Hi Buster, how you doing, bro? Alright, so this looks like it's definitely something. So what I need to do is get this. Anyone in the YouTube, say hello. Behind, there we go. This is what I'm wanting. Boom, so I can still see chat. Sick. EU and GU correlate. What if you're bearish bias on one and bullish on the other? Which one you're choosing? Most likely EU. It depends. The one that aligns with MexStrat. If MexStrat's showing regardless of which pair it is, whichever one's showing a reversal model past station session liquidity sweeps, then probably that one. Anyone on the YouTube, say hello. What's up, bro? How you doing? You good? But we're doing live analysis, live trading session to a degree. If we see a position, I will take it on the charts here, the charts on YouTube. Any questions in the chat, please do ask. Most normal GE trader. Oh yeah, there's a kitten on my screen. I was live earlier and it got a little bit weird. Nothing wrong with that though, is there? Nothing wrong with that. You looking for sells? That's the only real position that I could see. My bias is bullish, but we don't trade with bias if you're trading pure mech. So we're looking for what we're asking for a lot. Basically, we'd be looking for price to take out these highs, create some structure, change character, and get a retest before this blue line, basically. So chance of that happening, very unlikely. But there's still a chance of it happening. Any likes? Appreciate it. Got a gifter badge. If anyone's gifted, appreciate you. Likes are massively appreciated. Massively appreciate you, Wasim. I did a Dobby impression earlier. I might bring that out later. You trade Forex and futures, just Forex for me. When did you feel comfortable going full-time in trading? When I had multi-five figures in the bank. Just knowing that I've got 6 months of my expenses covered. Any trades taken today? No, the markets aren't particularly brilliant. Yo, what's good, bro? From India. Appreciate you, man. Love from Bournemouth, UK. Oh, it's wanting to do it. It's not. It's really not. Any questions? Make the most of this. Or we're already almost 1,000 likes. Let's smash the like button. On TikTok, unfortunately, I can't live stream my charts yet. I will be doing so once TikTok allows me to. But the reason I can't is because I got banned like a few days ago. So yeah, any likes, massively appreciate it. Let's get this to 1,000 likes quickly. Questions in YouTube as well. This is me live on the charts. Try and make the most out of this. I'll basically just be sharing any sort of insight, anything I can spot. If you want me to do any sort of type of analysis, any type of concept, then I'm happy to go through. What do you think of GU today? Longs after Asian sweep. The only issue with that is we've already taken out Asian high in that news at 7. So probably not, to be honest with you. I probably won't be looking to trade GU. I do think we're bullish, so I'd prefer it to take out lows, take more liquidity. However, EU is yet to take out one of the sides, so it could still continue higher. GU could do the same, to be fair, and then come lower, but I feel like there's not much. Oh, 1.2k now, that's nice. Appreciate you guys. There's not loads to trade yet. That's going to be in our session. Let me go on Discord and tell the free group that I'm live on YouTube. Looking for a star. Right, guys, I think I'm going to actually post quickly. Trump rants definitely don't help. I'm going to quickly just post on Instagram. Live analysis on YouTube. I think lately I want you to be together. I want you to be together. Cool. Sorry guys, I just stopped speaking there. I've still got people in here. That surprised me. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you here. I'm going to put this on. You can see me a little better. That's a bit nicer lighting. You can't see the light, so let's put this back here. So you got a nice little light in your face. Trade this morning? No. Had a long week with Asian range. Yep. Asian range is getting super annoying. Don's dark matter talents. I'm still in short. Okay. Can you show yesterday trade from 1 minute? Sure. I didn't trade it, but I can show you. It was way better on the 5 minute, in my opinion. So the yesterday's trade that would have been a joke would have been like so. Change your character on the 1 minute would have been here, but you wouldn't. No, it wouldn't have. Would have been up here, but you would have maybe got retracement, slightly better entry, not really worth it. You would have got the same. No, you wouldn't. No, you still would have. Yeah, to be fair, you would have literally got the same entry on the 5 anyway. Valid longs. Not sure. Can you show yesterday trade for the 1 minute? Just done that. Any questions, guys? Do please ask. There's 36 people in here right now on the YouTube. If you have any questions, anything that you want me to talk through concept-wise, anything you want me to talk through case study-wise, trade-wise, questions around prop firms, what I'm doing with funded accounts, what my next YouTube video is going to be, what videos you want me to be making. Try and get as much as you can out of these calls because, just trying to provide value for you guys here. Appreciate any likes. Let's get us up to 10K. I want 10K before 9, ideally. We'll be very, very happy with that. Let's like the live, guys. You can't like it on YouTube. How are you, bro? Me and Rob in a dressing gown. Yeah. Thought just keep it real with all you lot. I do wear dressing gowns often when I trade. How come you need that high taken? Because the Asian high got swept in the 67 pre-Frankfurt. So rather than looking for a trade post Asian session high, I'm looking for a trade post 6 high. Because our execution model involves taking a sweep of liquidity from 7 and executing between 7 and 10 as well. No need for the caps though, by the way. How am I? I'm really good, Eric, bro. How are you? Shorted EU, can you check, please? This is like, we're testing this at the moment because it does look like this month there has been multiple positions on EU for there to be like a short or reversal model kind of pre-7. But from our testing, we've just always tested from 7, so we'll have a look at it. We'll definitely have a look. No, probably not. Fedini. What does the red and green box people put at the end of their chart mean? Maybe that's not something I should already know. What, this? Something like that. Morning, Rono. Morning, Josh. How you doing, bro? This is a short position. So it's showing, like, if you've entered here, for example, then, and you put your stop loss to the relevant high, then, and this is where your stop loss would be. This is where you've executed. This is where your TP is. Oh my God, that was exactly a 1 to 3. That's quite cool. So it's just showing what a position would be on a trading view. Do you get me? So that would show a short. Then if you wanted to show a long, you do this. Let's say I just entered a buy now. Then it would enter me like that. Stop loss maybe like, I don't know, stop loss at Asian low. Targets these areas of this structural liquidity up here. Thoughts on one-to-one trading, as in one-to-one being like one-to-one risk to reward. Not for me. I'm sure it works for some people. Shorted EU from. Hello, Jack. Shorted EU from 1.04573. Yeah, that's decent. What's your risk reward though? Because you should probably be stopped out pretty soon. I'll be a little bit worried about a continuation, but I do think we'll probably just take out this low. I haven't yet, no. It might be worth trying out. But I generally don't like influencer props that much. Yeah, Apex. Mr. Pat Frayne, how you doing, man? We're doing all the analysis on YouTube. This day is dire as anything, but can give you guys as much information as possible on the YouTube because I've got the TA in front of me. TikTok's being weird about me sharing charts and whatnot. EU short, not for me, no. If you were trading pre 7 a.m, then yeah, you could have seen something, I guess. But it's not something that we trade within our model, no. Hello, Jed. Oh, my eyes have gone. Shut up the amounts costing a hotel for 3 weeks, but I think I might read both courses, just getting ahead. Yeah, probably worth that, bro. Any questions, always ask in chat, ask me, ask Dan. Do I move to trade to break even, let the trade play out? To be honest with you, I'm super fine with losing trades even when they've been in profit. Generally, I won't take my move my stop loss. I'll only just take partials. How many trades do I take a day? Well, none at the moment. I've only traded 3 times this month. Maybe not even 3, might have only been 2. I think 3. Yeah, at the moment, none. February's not been pretty. Yeah, PA dead for everyone else, big time. But it's showing good patience, good discipline. Awful Jed, awful markets for the way that we trade in London session. We're getting bigger Asian sessions than London session, which is not ideal. It's happening quite a lot. Danny, how you doing, bro? If TP hits, it'll be a 1 to 6 trade. Have you taken any partials, or have you just normally trade 1 to 6s? T6. God. Executed 1573. Oh, is that a 6R? Do you mean 5R? Seems like more OS, okay, lately instead of intraday scalps. What's your training rules? Execute between these times. Just want to start funding. It's not helping. Good morning, Danny. Yeah, so we execute between 7 and 9 a.m. Or sorry, 7 and 10 a.m. We're looking for sweep of age session liquidity or this liquidity up here past 7. We're then looking for 5-minute structure to shift to the opposite direction. So change character or market structure shift, whatever you call it. Then we're looking for a retracement into the EQ of that. And then a 2 if you're trading fixed. If you're trading discretionarily, you could target like opposing Asian session, IRL to ERL, that kind of stuff. Yesterday was a really nice trade in New York that followed our New York MEC quite nicely. Higher time frame POI. Oh, this is showing me where Asian session is. Let's go. 10,000 likes before 9 and I'll do a Dobby impression. I'm looking at you. I only trade top TP or stop loss. Do you always trade 1 to 6? Gotta have a pretty iron mind, but I'm sure you do, so fair play. No, but we did see it. I wasn't on the charts when it happened, this trade. Wasn't on the charts when it happened, but I was on the charts about here. And obviously this was too late for me to execute anything. So I was on the charts around here, watching it kind of play out, saying this is a good entry if you got in. 2k likes already. Appreciate you, Danny. You're carrying the likes. Been getting some decent results recently using 1 minute order bots and entries after the chalk. Allows for a much smaller stop and can still get a win on a fake out. Yeah, with you. Yeah, 1 minute's definitely goated. I used to trade that a lot. 1 minute used to be like my bread and butter, but I'm trying to trade as mechanically as possible this year. No, normally one's 5, fair play. Message retracted. Okay. Any questions? We've got 60 viewers in the YouTube stream right now. Any questions? Message away. 60 of you in here. Try and get as much value from me as possible. Gee, looks like we're going to be taking out those highs. I imagine EU is also going higher. Oh, not massively. This isn't my trade, by the way. This is me talking through someone else's. I'm worried that people just come in and see like a green and red box and they're like, oh, okay, let's execute. Appreciate you, Danny. About to pass my second 200k FTMO. I think of merging them into a 200, 400k. Personally, like it's up to you. I like keeping my accounts separate. I've not got max funding with FTMO, so I can't give you advice on that too much. But generally, when I've been funded with an 100k and 200k of FTMO, generally I'll trade them separately. Because then if you start like getting, I don't know, let's say you have a bad week, bad month, even if you're getting emotional, which obviously you shouldn't do, but it does still happen to most people. Oh, for fuck's sake, why is he still here? Ghost is back. 63 viewers in here. We've got a giveaway in Work Effect, 3 50k funded X challenges, and a 25k funded X challenge as well. And a discount code. Appreciate you, Danny. Quarter of a way there for the Dobby impression. EU buys to London High yesterday during New York was good. It was better on GU. Much better on GU, in my opinion. Reason being is because this change of character here was a wick. This change of character here, body closure with imbalance. You see what I mean? So to me, this is a lot nicer than that. Same result, but I just think it was nicer on GU. Opinions on Funded Trading Plus. They've lasted a long time. They were I initially used to like them because they were the first prop to not do minimum trading days. Sorry, max trading days. But obviously, since every prop's done that, I haven't really looked at them too much. I'm sure they're decent. I don't think their spread was amazing, but that doesn't matter too much. Someone's posing as you. There's loads of people doing that. EU continuation on the 1 minute looks decent. Let's have a look at that. 1 minute. Yeah, to get really any confirmation, I'd say Danny. I see what you mean though, but if we would need to we'd need to do a bit more, in my opinion, on the 1 minute to get confirmation that buys are in play. Just my opinion though, mate. Trade what you've tested. You just woke up, big time. Nope, it depends. If I'm trading pure mech, it's just 2R. A lot of the time I'll target external liquidity from trading discretionarily as well. From partial 2R, partial Asian range, partial, and then full close on ERL as well. Yeah, exactly, Dennis. I took the entry on EU and I can't be in a trade on EU and GU at the same time. Fair play. Do you have a look for confirmation on the 1 minute or just go directly from the 5 minute? Discretionarily, more 1 minute, but teaching and trading live 5 minute. Do you have a woke meetup every year? Yes, generally. We're going to have a really big one this year, probably in London, where we're going to do, and we're probably going to have someone on the institutional level come in and do a big talk as well. And we're going to have the launch of a new company. Maybe not a launch, but it'll be sponsored at least by one of the new companies. So very fun. Chat missed. Any questions? Let's discuss about free membership giveaway to anyone in the chat. Free membership, what, for Work Effects? I couldn't do that because that would be one-to-ones, which takes up a lot of my time and Dan's, and a lot of other people pay a lot of money for. So unfortunately, can't do that. Like I said, giveaways and stuff like that for challenges, different kind of story. You can maybe do that, but not my community. Not fair on the people that have paid money for it. Still trade with it, or trade with the same one again, or switch to another one which is not in drawdown. No, as soon as it's in profit, generally I'll just wait for the payout, unless it has minimum trading days, and then I'll just keep trading it. But yeah, the woke meetup this year should be massive. 3.2k likes. Appreciate all the likes, guys. So you wouldn't recommend merging? It's kind of up to you. It's like Dan, for example, merges all of his accounts together or trades all of them on a trade copier, and he loves it. But he only takes like 1 or 2 positions a month sometimes. For me, especially when I'm documenting things, generally will trade more aggressively, or have accounts that I'm more aggressive on, have accounts that I'm way more patient on, or like you said, just want to get payouts on multiple accounts that aren't based on one trade. So that's why generally I'll mix it up a little bit. But it's, like I said, it's up to you. There's no right or wrong, I don't think. If you're a profitable trader, it should work either way. 63 viewers in here. Is it? What's this? We have a warning. The stream's current bitrate is lower than the recommended. Open widget. Stream health is good. Okay, that's fine. Cool. No serenade today. Not quite. Oh, fine. I'll get some music on actually. We did have a quote earlier that I need to find. Para. Do you guys want a those on the best UK broker? I don't use a UK broker. I use IC Markets personally. Can anyone from the Discord come to meet up? So is it just no? Anyone can come. We're gonna do multiple things this year. I think we plan to. Well, what I want to do is do like a trip, with some of the traders from WorkFest as well. Maybe in the future. Yeah, when you reckon PA will be clean again? How long is a piece of string? It's kind of like, I don't know. Literally can't tell you until it is. How did you work as a tester whilst trading New York? London. Was it difficult? No, not difficult because it wasn't a hard job, so it's quite easy to just sit on my phone all the time. It was harder when I was working as a recruitment consultant. Yo, brother, how you doing, man? All alone. Oh, I cannot any likes? Let's get up to 10K going down. I can see you standing next to me.
in and out.
Any questions, obviously, around funding, around TA, I'm currently live on YouTube with
Look
Charles
away.
in front of me. We're in a live training session, so
I
if
can
there is
see
a
it
position
clear
I will
as
say and
day.
I will take.
Close your
You're
eyes.
pretty cool, appreciate it, brother.
So
Did you start
afraid.
trading on phone or computer? Phone,
Hide
I
behind
still
that
keep it
baby
before
face.
I just do it
Do,
as.
do, do,
Danny,
do,
do you want me to explain
do.
why there wasn't confirmation on the one?
You can drive all night,
I appreciate that,
looking
brother.
for the
4K now,
answers
we're
in the
almost at 10K
pouring
now.
rain.
Cool. If you're on
Wanna
YouTube,
find peace of mind,
one, okay, I can see the structure.
looking for the
Don't really
answer.
know here why that's coming to. Like, you just got, I guess you could look here maybe, but to me, I'm looking at more as that. I'm looking at that more as structural equality,
Funny how it
equal
seems like
it's high
yesterday,
chance of it being taken
as
out.
I
Number one,
recall,
we just lacked confirmation.
you were looking
Once you
at
asked
a
me
place,
here,
gathered
we
up the
hadn't
things
actually
that
taken it out high
slipped
for us to get a
away.
genuine character.
No time at all, I followed you into the hall. Cigarette, daydream.
You basically have to
You
take it
were
out.
only 17,
Basically, you have to take it
so
out.
sweet with the mean street. Nearly brought me to my knees. You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. You wanna find peace of mind,
I'm on EU.
looking for the answer. We can find a reason to change. Looking for the answer. If you can find a reason to stay. Standing in the pouring rain.
Oh, sorry. Can you explain that again? Sorry, guys.
You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answer. We can find a reason.
Trying to get this to work again. There we go. Sorry guys, did you is that alright? Can you hear now? What part of learning generally takes the longest, would you say? Psychology, I think strategy and TA concepts are super easy to understand. You all good now? Oh, my eyes hurting. Can you be my investor? No, probably not, my friend. What's EG? Euro to the pound. Do you want me to go back over what I was talking about? So someone was asking around why 1 minute was why I didn't think 1 minute was valid for a continuation here. So basically what I was saying was that they we didn't have a change of character basically on the 1 minute, so we didn't have any confirmation that we were going higher. Plus POI wise, I think he was looking here, I'd imagine, which I can see why, because obviously here creative breaker structure, multiple further value gaps. However, we got all of these kind of like stacked lows here, which to me just looks like a big area of liquidity. For me, I do think we could get reaction lower down here. Maybe not even sweep out Asian low, but just react lower down kind of here and then look longs. I'm not going to take that, but I think that could happen. Just because that's not in my criteria, but I do think it could happen. Robert just made to it. Let's go, brother. Let's fucking go. That's made me gas. So gas for you, bro. Congrats, man. I don't know what on, but fair play. Take the money though. Don't overtrade. Don't go for anything bigger. That's a massive payout, bro. That's my biggest payout in one go. The screen's frozen. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, the screen is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. My bad. Let me just do something. Is that better? Boom, fixed it. Fixed it. Time management. If you've got it funded, bro, you pick enough traders, it's just just realise it's a fun in town. Don't need to get 10% sales. Oh, appreciate it. Thank you, bro. Congrats, man. That's what you've done, mate. I am changed. I'm just like, weird, man. Do I trade discretionary more capital?
Cities breaking down on a camel's back. They just have to go cause they don't know where. So all you feel the streets is appealing to see. You won't get undercounted cause you're never free. You got a new horizon, it's ephemeral style. Melancholy town where we never smile. Not all I wanna hear is the message beep. My dreams they gotta kiss me cause I don't get sleep.
Personal community. I've already got a quite a big personal community. 3 Discords and also 5,000 people. Made Discords on like 300. I am tempted to open up the
your stride. It is taking rolling down. Love forever, love is free. Let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the landed. Everybody in.
Really?
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass crack. Ladies, ponies at the track. It's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, bear repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. Yo, we gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it until you tread a header. Watch the way I navigate. Ha 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 ha.
It's not playing it. You've already given that a go. Is it actually too loud? It was on 1 bar. Let's turn it off now. Got 80 viewers on YouTube.
Windmill for the land. Love forever, hand in hand. Take it all out on your.
Is it still playing? Has it still been playing? I'm so confused as to why it's loud because I've not been playing it for the last 2 minutes or so. Are we okay? Did it just stop now? Oh, I know what's happening. It was playing out of my laptop. And it was playing to... It must have been playing like from the stream, if you get what I'm saying. Because in music, it was in the background, it was alright. Okay, what do I do? Might use Emily's MacBook to play some music, just in like pure background. Because I like background music. Nice Udi, bro. Cheers. Broke trend 9. What's your DXY bias? Is bearish. We might be getting a reaction to where I said here, so fair play to anyone that's able to catch it. What would we look for, really, if you're looking for a continuation here, would be to take out this high. But probably won't happen. Even if it does, I won't be trading it. But that would be my POI internally for Asian session. I can still feel your head low. Literally nothing, mate. I have no thoughts about any of this. It's just moving. It's just moving sideways. There'd be no part of me that I'd look to trade this. EU's just about bearable because it didn't have news in the morning. No, we're not getting our criteria for nothing that we wouldn't have traded anyway. 82 viewers now. We've got 8 minutes to get to 10k likes for a Dobby impression. Buy a speaker cur. Should have copped a Sony Udi. I don't know what that is. Nah, JP Boy. Heavy Bull. MDB, let's see. Maybe we do take Asian low. Those 6 AM. There's someone in here who's got a 6R potentially soon. Rob, what you do for A levels? I did business, PE, and geography. Those were my A levels. Guys, we're 4,500 likes away from a Dobby impression. That's what I'm gonna say. So you look up. I appreciate you, brother. Just BO's having a good day. I'm glad for you. Very glad for you. How do you have Asia highlighted like that? It's called the Asia range by Nico. I've got it set to 7 to 1 a.m. But it's actually set 12 to 5 a.m. 6 a.m. even. What am I trading? I'm looking at EU currently. Potentially see a continuation trade. Oh, wow. Super tight continuation trade now. But I probably won't take realistically. 1 minute warriors, we long. No, I'm joking. I'm not gonna tell you guys when to do your things, but could potentially get a continuation there. I went college for 2 months, then left, got an apprenticeship in business instead. Fair play. I hated A levels equally. Didn't enjoy them. I quite enjoyed sixth form, but the actual learning of A levels not amazing. And I didn't even take my test, so it was a bit annoying on that side of things. Did all that for just nothing. I didn't even get good results in the end. I got a B in business, to be fair, which is pretty ironic because I probably run a better business than everyone that taught there. That's the ego coming through. I left school to gamble professionally. What about in your GCSEs? You do good? Yeah, pretty much B's across the board. I was in top set. I just never revised. I just knew I just didn't really care for it. My parents kind of accepted that as well. Hello from Hungry Rob. Hello, brother. Let me know what countries you guys are from. Put it in the chat. You look way better with shorter sides, by the way. I appreciate that. I just haven't had a haircut properly in ages. I do like a little burst fade, but it's grown out quite a lot at the back, more so than I like it normally. I gave the mullet a good go, but it's more just because I haven't had a haircut and I had a burst fade. I'm not trying to have a mullet right now. The inner circle's in. I'm from Belgium. Oh, nice, man. Portugal, the UK. Let's go. Got all over the gaff here. All over the said gaff. How many people we got in here? 74 viewers now. Is there anyone here that's not subscribed? Let's have a look at Somalia. Wow, UK, South Africa. Rob, is it possible to make 40k from prop firms in 2025? Yeah, I did it in a month, remember, in 2024, only a few months ago, from scratch, so it's definitely possible, man. Let me go on YouTube quick. Oh, YouTube Studio. Guys, we're almost on 9,000 subs, by the way. We're 78, away from 9,000 subs. Anyone that's in here, please do subscribe to my YouTube, because if we can get to 10k really soon, I'll do a giveaway. What will I give away? I'll give away $150,000 worth of challenges to anyone sub to the YouTube. I'll do a sub to the YouTube thing. 3 50k challenges basically. If that sounds good, then get subscribed to the YouTube, because you need to have already been subscribing to qualify. How am I doing? I'm doing good, man. How are you today, brother? Any likes, much appreciated. Whoa, UK, South Africa. Am I going to trade today? Probably not. New Zealand, Serbia. I might go live in New York as well and see if there's anything possibly in New York. You're giving me inspiration, Rob. I'm glad to hear, brother. Morocco, Dobo Dan Darko. Not sure what that is, but fair play. Yahya. Nice, man. Don't know if that's a country. The EU sub was clean. Yeah, you guys that got in here, you're smashing it. There was another position as well. Like I said earlier, wow, you guys really want that Dobby impression. Appreciate any likes, 10k likes, and I'm doing a Dobby impression. See, I'm from Newquay, UK. Lovely, bro. I don't know how far away you are from me actually, but we're a few hours. South Africa, Cape Town. Wow, let's go. Is anyone here, just out of interest, not subscribed? Have you come from a different page? I don't care if you're obviously not subscribed, but just interested to see if we're going on to any sort of like other page, or if it's just people that are subbed to me already. Cornwall, bro. Yeah, I thought so. Up 1-4 now. Yeah, you're smashing it, mate. Should be there soon. Any questions, guys? Do ask. GU shorts thoughts. Let's have a look. GU Rwanda. GU shorts right now. I wouldn't short from here. Definitely wouldn't short from here personally. And that's on a personal level. I saw a TikTok live, so I moved to YouTube from there. Glad to hear, man. Glad to hear. If you can sub, that's huge. We're going to be doing a giveaway at 10,000 subs. Obviously, we're working towards 9,000 now. But obviously, if you're along for the journey, it's massively appreciated. We've just gone 2 subs. Don't know who subbed. If you just subbed, put it into the chat and I'll give you a shout out. Who is better football players, North or South, in your opinion? Ooh. I'd say from my knowledge, South, just from people that I've seen that I know play and they've played up North and said it was easier, but that's just my opinion. And I'm from South, so maybe that's bias. Appreciate the likes, guys. We're almost at 10k. You guys are smashing the likes. Off TW, appreciate you. I've subbed, been watching your videos as well. Don't worry. Appreciate that, Dylan. Massively appreciated. Like I said, the goal is 10k subs. No chance, North all day. I thought that was going to come. Moy followed. Appreciate that follow. Jaspito smashing the lights. Congratulations on 20k payout as well. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's the same as me. That's my biggest payout. Had it multiple times, but I normally stop at 20k because past that I feel like you're running the risk of not being paid out. So definitely for me, I think that's such a good spot to be in where you're at. Guys, we've almost smashed 10k very quickly. We're on 9 o'clock, so we need it in the next 5. The next 500 need to be this minute. The next 500 likes need to be this minute, guys. If you want your Dobby impression. 400 likes now. 85 viewers in here. Just got a GU 1-1. Nice, glad to hear, brother. Charts for me aren't amazing. No, we're almost. Oh, we've done it. We've done it. Right. Okay. We're doing a Dobby impression, it seems. Let's see if ACG will pay. Hopefully they do, man. They have paid me. They paid me out about 23k 1 month, but it was in multiple payouts. That was my biggest month with them. Right. Are we ready? I want to put some music on for it, but I can't really. My fingers are hurting. I feel like it's weirder with you looking at me. What I'll do is I'll move you guys away, and I'll move over here, and I'll do it over here.
Master has given Dobby a sock. Dobby is free.
That's all she wrote. That's all she wrote. I hope that was worth it. I hope that was worth it for you guys. There you go. Dobby impression done. Someone joins the live, they're just like, what is going on? We don't take ourselves seriously here. Come live every day. I'll try when... Oh my god, those shorts are smashing it. Well done, guys. Whoever take that 6 to 7. Yeah, I hope you guys like the theme. I hope that was worth it. A few likes in the chat. I'll do the quote of the day at 20. Lovely to be here. Super excited. I'm glad to hear, man. How often do you go live with your members? Every day, every single day, without a shadow of a doubt. 7 to 9. I was just live with them now, but like I said, I stopped about here, like midway through London session to go live here. So obviously they could still join, but they know that I wasn't planning to really trade between this period, so that's why I'm doing the live today, just to give you guys some free stuff. Fun and pips as a Beps. I've heard good things, but I've also heard some bad things recently. FK excited 1 to 5, not risking anymore. Boom. Yeah, mate, you're smashing it. Well done, brother. How often do you go live with members? Yeah, every day. Twice a day, actually, a lot of the times. I can't come live. I do at the moment. I am doing a live every day on either TikTok or YouTube, but it's not always during the this period, if you know. Well, can we know out of 10 trades how many TPs you hit? Man, crazy trade. Generally, it's about 6. 6 out of 10 usually. It ranges probably 4 to 6. But I wouldn't be taking out the longest losing streak we normally get is like recorded back testing wise and really forward testing wise with mech is 4. We need another cold quote. We need to get to 20k then. In one of your recent videos, you didn't trade Asian range because it's 50 pips. What would the pip usually be if you trade below 35, below 40, if I'm looking for a reversal? 83 viewers in here right now. Any subs, much appreciated, guys. Ooh, we gained 7 subs since you guys mentioned that. If we get to 9k soon, that is huge. That is huge. And then I'm also going to post a video soon. Do you guys want a sneak peek in the video for potentially tonight? It's a bit of a rogue video, so if you're here for more like just trading, maybe not the one to watch, but it's quite a funny one. So if you guys want me to share it, I'll do that if once we're on. I don't know how you guys can like, or I don't know if we get a comment. If you guys want a sneak peek into the video for either that's coming out either tonight or tomorrow, spam yes in the YouTube chat. Hello, S Rob. Why don't you do day in the life? I will be doing it. This video kind of is like it's more of like a week in the life though. But yeah, it is coming out. Yes. I want to see the whole screen yeses before I put it out. There's 88 of you in here, so if I can see all of you say yes, I'll share you. I'll give you a sneak peek. It's a pretty messed up video. It's probably one of my most kind of rogue ones. It's the same people putting yes. Come on, I want a few more people in here. Yes. Right, we've got a full screen. We've got a full screen of it, just to show these guys are really wanting the preview. Right, let's do it. Okay, for those of you on TikTok, head over to my YouTube now. Definitely subscribe if you're there as well. I'll give a quick preview of hopefully tonight's videos, if I can get it edited, basically. But can you all see this? Okay. Right. Just checking. Can we all see the edit? Okay. Let me just put it full stream quick. That is my friend Ben. Right, are we ready? You ready, chat? Has everyone seen the on the YouTube yet? It's Rob Dono. There's probably only like 5 people here, but let's watch it anyway. Can we all see it? Are we ready?
No, I want to thank you all for being here, and more importantly, welcome.
Can you hear
to
it?
the 2025 Druids Benidorm Open.
Some editing, by the way, isn't it? That's why it's a bit loud, by the way. Yes, I can confirm that is right. We are in Benidorm, and no, of all this places. isn't a forfeit. We are genuinely here out of pleasure because they have some unbelievable golf resorts. That did not stop us visiting the Red Lion.
He's gone a bit rogue.
Stu, explain the game we're playing here.
Right,
so yeah, it's a bit of a more a
This is the set.
what's the word I'm looking
Your best
for?
ball.
More of
Whoever
a
comes first,
laughy
closest.
one, but we will be putting in. I'll put in a
That's
lot of
not
trading stuff in there as well. We did take a couple of trades like the last few weeks, so I'll put them in there. But did you all manage to catch it all right? That is the intro to, well, one of the intros to the videos soon. It's a bit of golf, bit of the night out. I'll show you a little bit more if you guys want. It's quite a funny bit. Don't know if you guys find it funny, but I find it quite funny. Can you hear it okay? A bit of a church, isn't it? Now, I am slightly worried about copyright, so instead of listening to the actual music, what you're going to do is listen to some elevator music. You can guess what we're singing in the next track. This was unreal. Nice as Coldplay.
Robbie! What are they watering right now? Robbie!
We're getting
so
emotional
deep,
about it.
it's so deep. Robbie!
But yeah, this is the video for tonight. Let's get back to New York for now. I look a bit messed up there as well. Not New York, let's get back to the charts. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. Bruce Buffer dancing, yeah, it's rogue. It's a rogue video, to be fair, but it'll be quite funny. It'll be funny. Robbie Williams. It was not actual Robbie Williams, but he was trying to be, and I was giving him the support that he wanted. Right, I'll watch it for sure. I'm glad. Fun and Next is good. They keep messaging me actually. Fun and Next. Maybe. I mean, I'll try them out, but they seem to be pushing marketing a lot. Like, seeing a lot of people that trade. That like influencers suddenly go with them, so I'm guessing they're doing a big marketing stunt. As I said, they messaged me as well, but they did mention a demo account, which I was like, right, I don't really want. Like, why would I want a marketing account? Whatever, I think that's stupid. So I just said no. Check out my new track, Make a Change. I would right now, but everyone's complaining about it being really loud in the thing. We've dropped off viewers. I think it's from my YouTube thing, that's upsetting. 66. Have we gotten any more subs as well? I'll watch it afterwards, or send me through it, and I can listen to it in the next stream. We're almost getting 10 subs, to be fair. You still hang out with Sal? No, I never really, like, me and Sal have only seen each other maybe twice in person. Came to our first meetup, and then I saw him out in Thailand. But I'm still friends, yeah. We don't hate him or anything like that. Did you hear about Prop Company? I've heard of them. They've messaged me actually as well. I don't know. Maybe I'll go see it. Bro, chill out. Payouts are so quick. Do you have a YouTube on trading? I'm currently live on YouTube with the charts out on YouTube. Subscribe as well, because we're almost at 9k subs. Have you used Ants and Rants prop firm? No. Vanadium, I haven't personally. No. Is Sal profitable? No idea. As of yet, I haven't spoken to him for a while, so I don't know. So the main thing I should be doing with any mentor is just like I said, do your due diligence into them. So if you're wanting to be a funded trader, make sure they've got lots of funding. If you're wanting to make 10k a month trading, make sure they have proof of 10k a month trading, that kind of stuff. How can you say about 5% as prop firm? They're going to be one of the main ones that I go with in the next challenge video that I do. Haven't tried either of those two, Honcho, no. Again, they're kind of in that group that just like post loads and loads of prop firms. So I don't normally go with those ones personally. It's Rob Donner. It's his name. I do. If you watch my YouTube, we did a road to 1 million. I mean, that's just one example. I don't share like every payout that I get, obviously. But if you watch Road to 1 million, I start from scratch. For 30 days, tried to get $1 million in funding from scratch in my mum's garage. We managed to get 800k in funding live in front of you guys, and $40,000 in payouts from those 800k in funding in that 1 month of trading. Never seen anything like that done before in the space personally. So if you haven't watched it yet, I definitely would. Every episode's documented. There's live trading in there as well. Talk through my strategy, etc. But if you haven't watched it, then I definitely would. It's called Road to 1 million on my YouTube channel, Rob Donner. I'm gonna make an overview video soon on it, but I'm also gonna try the challenge again. And I'm sure I'll do it in this next one. The reason we stopped is because Trump got elected about 3 weeks in. So we had 1 week left and Trump got elected. and the charts for our model like didn't show a thing for literally a week straight. And I was kind of saying like I could easily get the next 200k in funding by just leveraging accounts against each other, or just by buying loads of challenges and kind of like force passing one, but it wouldn't be like how you should trade. So there's no point in me sharing that. I think it's better to show a loss or not reaching full goals than just doing it for the sake of doing it for the video, if you get me. Are you in the market right now? I'm not. I'm looking at the market, but I'm not trading right now, no. Do I believe Arsenal will win this season? No. Have you tried City Traders Emporium before? Been around since 2018, but never seen influencers push them. I'll have a look at them. I think they might do white label though. I'm pretty sure they do white label. White label being like, if I want to start a prop firm, I'd just get the whole prop firm basically made by their company. I don't think it might not be them. I might be completely wrong. So don't take this as financial advice or anything like that. But I think, that's what they do. I think they white label other props as well. I might be wrong though. Sal's got a course now. I know. How many viewers we got at the moment? 560. We're dropping, guys. Why are we dropping? Do you think it's because of my stunt with the wow, 11. We're on 1 minute, guys. We're gonna if we can get to 9k subs just from this live stream, I'll literally do all sorts of things. Oh god, my TikTok time limit's gone out. Rob, have a nice day. I'm heading out to gym. Yeah, bro. Congratulations so much. Message me on Instagram as well, because I just like I said, it's good to network with people that are getting payouts as well. Josh Baxter's just put. Oh shit! I don't know what my calls are today. I might have just missed a call. Sorry guys. I might need to go if I've got a call. May need to just take this down a sec. Oh, that's fine. Any questions? Chuck them in. Do I use order phone? No, I don't personally. Drop me a message on Instagram, bro. Just Beto. It's Rob Dono. Do I do crypto? I do pretty inconsistently. When does your trading day end? In about 45 minutes, my friend. Oh, okay, I've got one at 10 and then 11. I've got two at 11. Oh my god, I've got so many calls today. Yeah, this live will be finishing before 11. Seen a few people get paid out and apparently paid over 2 mil. Nice, man. I've never seen. I'm sure. Yeah, actually, there's the odd people. That Road to a Million have a Almond Hadid. I trade on MEXC and Hyperliquid. But in that month as well, we did literally like 6 figures in crypto. I think I show it in the Road to a Million. You taking a trade? Probably not. For those of you that don't take in the fact that we've already swept EU high, you may have an entry criteria soon. On the 1 minute, you might potentially have 1. 5 minute, maybe not so much. Guys, smashing subscribers, love that. If we can get to 9k just from the live, I'll do literally anything. Who did you start trading with? Did you join a course? I did, not a particularly good one though. Have you heard much about TraderScale? I've actually had a convo with the owner quite frequently. Well, not quite frequently. I had a weird conversation with them. Do you know who it's owned by? The real Sadat. Appreciate you, bro. I'll follow you back. But yeah, I'm sure you will get your payout with them. But there's a bit of a reason why I don't go with them. Or I don't know if he owns it, but he's definitely a big part of it. Waiting for 5 minute chalk. Yeah, it's not going to happen within our time frame. 1 minute, you have got an entry now technically, but you'd have to wait for retracement into there. See you, buddy. Nice, man. Yeah, you should be fine. It's just who it's owned by. That's mainly why I'd have an issue. Like it could, I feel like it could easily be rug pulled. Oh, I appreciate the rose, bro. Any subs? Oh, gold all time high again. I said it yesterday. I was like, there's no way this doesn't keep going. There you go. Another all time high. Gold doing what Bitcoin should be doing. Oh, Bitcoin has closed relatively bullish, to be fair. To be fair, though, what's the dominance saying? I don't. He didn't really leave. He just obviously started mentoring himself. I don't know. I don't think he didn't mentor on Work Effects either. Maybe he wanted to start teaching, but I don't think he does mentoring now. I don't know. I don't think he doesn't like not like Work Effects. I think he just obviously probably just next stream of income for him when he went to Thailand. Gold all time high again. Holding gold buys from 2000 what? Oh, 2924. Oh, he's in right at the bottom. Wow. Look at that. G doing absolutely niche. Do we want ethers next? Yeah, this is that. I do think like as much as I think now there's like more and more doubt because we've had a bit of a nothing window for a while in crypto. I think that's when we start to really go. It's just about waiting it out really. See if we've gained any new subscribers. We gained one. We're 66 away. If you know anyone that likes trading and you can share our channel to anyone that you know and get us to 9k subs, be massive appreciated. I'll be posting a video tonight. I'll be putting a trade example, discretionary trade and a mech trade in there as well. I'll be doing as much as possible in the YouTube for you guys. So if you can subscribe, it means a lot. Appreciate a lot. I appreciate any of the likes. See someone liking in there as well. I appreciate you massively. Got 75 guys in here right now. We're looking at the 1 minute on EU right now. We've just taken out Asian lows. The only issue is we've already taken out Asian highs. So that's the main factor for me, which wouldn't make me trade. The only thing you could look at is change character on the 5 up for 1 minute. Maybe come back in here if you're in kill zone. But you're kind of missing one of the confidences being that Asian session has already been swept. I'm speaking quickly and I don't hate it. Do you get a YouTube plaque? Oh, appreciate you, Honcho. Yeah, guys, anyone that can sub from here, appreciate it massively. Hello, Lauren. Do I get a YouTube plaque for 10k? I probably won't, but we'll get to 100k shortly. 10k is the hardest one. 10k is the hardest thing to hit. Once you're on 10k, it's a lot easier to get to 100k, in my opinion. I've seen it happen. I've seen a YouTube channel go from 10k to 150k in a year, and the hardest part was to get to 10k in the first place. So that is our aim. Once we're at 10k, we'll fly. I'll put out so much value for you guys. We'll do another road to 1 million, and I'll pass it without a doubt. So I'll do that for you guys. Obviously giveaways, there'll be giveaways at 10k as well, so make sure you're sub for that. What broker do I use? I use IC Markets. How you doing, Joe? You okay? But then this long is invalid, isn't it? Yeah, I'm not looking. I won't be taking this long because it's invalid because high's already been taken. But I'm saying like if you were still trading that, then that's what you'd be looking for. Any questions in the YouTube? Ask away, guys. We've got 72 guys in here. Let me know where you're from. Obviously, if there's anyone from around the world, let me know. I'm happy to do a motivational quote soon. That they go super hard. So if you want that, then let me know. I had a good one this morning, but I can't remember it. Gained another sub. 65 subs away. We need 65 people to sub, and we're on 9k, which is crazy. 1k away from I hope you well as well, man. Appreciate the follow as well. Dan just joined. Is that how you spell it? What are you trying to spell? Awanda. They've just been bought out by FT Mode, haven't they? My opinion is there's a big reason as to why FT Mode have bought them out. And again, not financial advice, just my opinion, that regulation, it will be coming to prop firms. The ones that aren't broker backed, in my opinion, I'd be worried about going with a non-broker backed prop. I think that's where it's going to be heading, at least in certain countries, I think. 72 people watching the live stream. Let's go. 655 views in total. What should we do? Because there's not loads to do here. Could play a game. No, let's not play a game. Let's do something productive. What could be productive in this scenario? Getting more subscribers. We've gained 1. Big news. Oh, here we go. We've got loads of questions in here. Did I trade today? No, I didn't. What with the what? Good questions. Yes, love this. I am from Nepal. Is it still for short or what? No, I'm not. I'm not trading either way. I'm at the top of the Swiss wall. Odds straight line it. What? What were the worst? This is the best question. What were the worst habits you had to break that helped turn you profitable? So, worst habits I had to break was feeling like I needed to make money every day, and that was my only way of being profitable or a trader. Obviously, especially when I think maybe more towards younger people, might be older people as well. But when you're younger, I do believe you feel super ambitious. You're that person that you want to be a millionaire. You want to make generational wealth, all that stuff. And you feel as though if you're not making money in that day, then it's an unprofitable day. And well, it is obviously an unprofitable day, but you've not made any steps towards your goals. What you've got to realize is that not trading is trading. So me right now going live saying that I've not got any positions, I've not got my criteria met, I'm following my plans, then that is me making progress to becoming a better trader, and I'm showing discipline, I'm showing patience, and that's the traits of a good trader. Now, if I was just feeling like I needed to trade every day, I probably would have taken a loss today. Well, I don't think I would have traded today. Potentially up here, so maybe I would have taken a win. But I know overall, when you're trading, even if this won and I took it out of like real discretion and really didn't follow my rules, that would have been really bad because I would have got a reward in this case for not following my rules. Therefore, would have done it more and more and more, thinking it's okay. Even if I start getting results, getting payouts, or not even payouts, but maybe I win on my personal accounts or I pass phase 1, eventually it's going to catch up with you. And the same, if you keep rewarding bad behavior in trading, then you'll keep doing it until you realize that this is what's causing you long-term pain. It's always the same with anything else. Like you eat a cake, short-term feels really great, but over long-term you get fat and die. So if you're a trader, you might be taking short-term fun, trying to take positions every single day for the sake of taking it, not following a strategy because it's fun, you get that dopamine hit. But then long term, you lose loads of money, you get depressed, and you give up trading and probably end up in a job for the rest of your life. What was you looking forward to execute trade? I was looking for price to sweep Asian high or Asian low without sweeping the other side. We've already swept Asian high between this time frame. We wouldn't get a position anyway because we need 5-minute structure. We need a change character on the 5-minute and then a retracement into the EQ before now, which we haven't got. 1 minute you might have got an execution here, but again, we've already taken out Asian high, so that's why I'm staying away. Sound like a father. Big time. Any good at chess? I am good. I haven't played in a while though. I love an Italian Open. 1 or 2 wins a month can be multiple figures with the right capital. 100%. Staying away from what? Trading for the sake of trading. EU buys. Obviously you're looking at Asian session reversal, which is fine, but it's just a little bit late for me, and we've already taken out Asian high. I'm currently $50 away from blowing my 10k live fund. I haven't traded it in 2 weeks now. What's your best advice to get out of this position, as every time I keep getting funded, blow it? You need to be asking this question when you get funded, not when you're $50 away from blowing it. So right now, in my eyes, I'd consider it lost. You can either hold on to the account and really reduce risk, or if you're okay with losing it, trade exactly the same risk-wise how you have been trading previously. But just wait for a really high quality trade. Cool. I got any short? Nice, man. You got that. There's like I said, pre-7 easy position. Would you ever do the FTMO scaling plan? Potentially, yeah. Rice bread joined. Hello. Cool. Let's have a look at any subs, guys. Oh God, fucking hell. That scared the shit out of me. My camera's died on here. Guys, I'm probably going to end the TikTok live. We're obviously live on YouTube right now. So if you want to see what the charts are saying, what I'm thinking about, then get onto the YouTube. Definitely subscribe to there. If not, I'm going to head out. Appreciate you all. We're going to be doing these obviously as frequently as possible. But yeah, love you all. See you later. Ah. No, I'm not ending it now. I'm not ending the YouTube one. I'm just ending the TikTok one. I might end the YouTube one though if we don't get some beautiful questions soon. I might end it, to be fair. Let's make sure we all watch tonight's video. I'll do a trade breakdown. Is there anything you guys want me to explain in any upcoming YouTube videos? Explain top-down analysis. I've got a challenge for you. Sure, go for it. Always open to challenge. Okay, high time frame you want to hear? I'll take a picture of that. I'll do a more serious day in the life soon, by the way. One that's not like me going to Benidorm. But the market hasn't given us a shift. Oh, sorry. This. If you're talking about here, this isn't relevant. I was talking it through. Would you ever consider getting on a future prop? Are you trying to say prop? Yeah. And even trading just EU and GU on them with future contracts. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, to be fair. Is it true that EURUSD is correlated with DXY? Yes, definitely is. Yes, Danny, how you doing, brother? I don't trade futures, no. We're literally 63 subs away from 9k. That is huge. My prop firm tier list is actually smashing views. It's almost on 14k now. If you haven't watched that, I just rank the prop firms I use. I have an account that's on 51 balance. Do you want it to start a series? Do I want it? Do I want the 51 quid? I'm okay, my friend, keep it. You don't understand Alchemist. MNSR concepts, chill. Thoughts of the new Champions League format? It's nice to change things every once in a while. I think everyone's gonna hate anything whenever it's done, but I don't hate it massively. I mean, Chelsea aren't in it, so I haven't been watching the Champions League as much, but it seems pretty decent so far. What are you expecting in EU and GU? Not much right now. I'm expecting overall for them to be bullish. I can hear my girlfriend waking up. It's fucking late. What is she doing waking up now? She didn't bought me my coffee. It's upsetting news. 84 viewers, to be fair, guys. Any subs? Like I said, if anyone's here, just out of interest, is anyone, whether you've been in the chat or not, is everyone subscribed, or were you already subscribed before joining the live? Just a question. Everyone that's been speaking in the chat, please do answer, because I just want to know. I will still get doing the lives regardless. Yo, Toby. Already subbed. Was everyone already subbed, or did they come in sub whilst in the live, or they're not subbed, or already subbed? Anyone here that's come that wasn't already subbed? Are you trading New York tonight? I've been subbed for almost a year now. Appreciate it, man. Are you trading New York tonight? I can go live in New York. I do think I've got a few calls. So I'm going to have a break around spot quite soon and get some breakfast. I'm a new sub. Oh, lovely, man. Did you just join the live today and then sub there? Sub since 2.5k. Appreciate that, Toby. Wow, from IG. Nice, bro. Yes, sir. I might do some rogue. There's gonna be some rogue videos. I don't know what to do with this channel because, obviously I'm a trader. Yeah, that's first and foremost. Even my 5-year-old girl knows your voice, bro. Always watch your video. Appreciate that, bro. That means a lot. With this channel, obviously Rob Dono. That is me personally. I've been good, bro. How are you? That is me. That's my name. And this channel and it's obviously around trading because that's what's changed my life so much. And I'm obviously for the foreseeable, it will be trading based, lifestyle based, etc. But I do want to make this channel like I do want to do. So I've got some mental ideas and not really trading related, but they'll be like unbelievable, like really funny content that is just like can't miss. Maybe not funny, but it's like a mix between entrepreneurial and funny. So like for example, trading a paperclip up to a cow in Bali, like sounds so rogue. But like that'd be so funny to do with my mates. So I might do stuff like that, and then I might also make another channel down the line that is like pure TA, pure this stuff, pure educational. I'll probably call it Dons or something like that. But yeah, thoughts on trading a paperclip up to a cow. It's still trading technically. Just go around with a paperclip, go to someone, can I get a pen for this? And then getting a pen, and then trading it up to like $1, then trading $1 for like, I don't know, a bit of fruit, then trading the fruit into like a skateboard, trading a skateboard for a cow, and then boom, you got your video. First one to get to a cow wins. Tell me that won't go hard. It's always good to get your personality out there like Alice G did. Cow for a child, fuck's sake. Yeah, man, I mean, like, I'm not even like really bothered about, I'm not really looking for anything today. DXY wise, I'm bearish, really bearish. So I guess obviously DXY isn't correlating that well today, I don't think. Yeah, EU's bearish, GU's slightly bullish, but DXY is bearish as well. Yeah, I'm looking for DXY to sell off from this fair value gap. So sell down, start targeting this low. If you look at the weekly, bunch of consolidation, manipulation into a POI, and we should see some distribution. So that's kind of what I want to see. So that would mean being bullish on these two. So I want this to go bullish. This way more. GU, like I liked this manipulation, this inducement before this sell-off. So I'm hoping this stays strong. But in EU, I'm wanting to kind of take out, or at least get towards these highs again. You heard? It is an AMG. I don't actually know. I think it's not particularly strong. It sounds better than it is. It's not crazy quick. It makes loads of noise though for a car that's just like not quick. Right, guys. What are we at YouTube wise? Now 62 subs away. We're getting closer. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys, because I'm getting a little tired. I appreciate all the 80 of you in here. This is not a GU New York case study. This is named wrong. But yeah, love you all. Any remaining questions before I go? Do tune in tonight. There'll be a big video either tonight or tomorrow. Make sure your sub notifications on. Please put notifications on because these lives are going to be very valuable when I am trading. Do I have a dream car? Not really, to be honest with you. I'm getting an R8 probably next, or a Vantage. That is between them, I think. But past that, I'm not that bothered past that, really. Obviously, there's nicer cars, I know, but I think I'll be very content once I'm at that kind of stage. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Right, I'll see you all later. Bye, guys. Appreciate you all.